I don't know. Yeah, let's look at this windmill again because I want to make another windmill. I like the windmills. Wind generator. Osmium, osmium, osmium. Enriched alloy. This thing was 2 enriched alloys in gold, which we can do with the energy tablets. And then the other thing was the redstone and osmium. So we'll go like this. Oh, this is redstone. I need to make another metallurgic infuser. Especially since I filled this one up with, oops. With so much carbon in there. Well, yeah, let me just make another metallurgic infuser for now. Okay, so this one, let's give him some redstone and osmium. Boom. Windmill! And now we're gonna put this windmill. You're protecting that side of the base. I'll line you up just right. The same spot right there. Cool. Are you doing 200 RF? Let's hope you get up to 200 RF per tick. Now the question is, where do you power this guy? This might not be able to power this guy. Oh, advice for a firefighter looking to go career. Well, are you already a volunteer? Hi, Enderman. Are you mad? No, okay. Are you already a volunteer firefighter? Because if you are, there's not much advice I can give you that you wouldn't already know about the situation. Let me see. Maybe I don't need to power this thing? Okay, that didn't do anything. I obviously do need to power this thing. Oh yeah, if you're already a volunteer, then you're already like, you already know everything that I would possibly tell you. Okay, let's look in this book again. Because you know the system, which is what the ultimate deal is. Like, you already know the volunteering system. Depends on the power processing speed. Depends on the power supplied. Applying a redstone signal to the control panel at the front will halt the crusher process. Behavior can be inverted. The front is wide. But it says something about the machine's processing speed depends on the power supplied to it. So how do I supply this particular machine power? Sucking it up to anyone that's near. that is a good way to do it. What mod are we in here? Immersive engineering. So if we're at immersive engineering, what type of power can I possibly use? Did I grab that generator, that coal generator? What if I just hook up the coal generator like directly to you? Will you give him power? I'm gonna do that. We're gonna see if you get power from it looks like it's storing the power. I don't know what one of these is supposed to get the power is the problem. You don't connect to there. You don't connect to there. Oh, hold on. Something connects to the control panel over here. I might just have this thing backwards for where I expected power to be needed. Let's hope that that actually works. It's kind of annoying because I'm going to have to use all these cables, but whatever. If it works, it works. The motto of a great firefighter, EMT nurse. If it works, it works. Okay, so let's see. I need to move this torch at some point. Okay. Does this have power now? You do not seem like you have any power. Dang it. You made it look like you were going to connect to here and give me some power. Oh, did I have to charge these cables first, maybe? I don't know what to do. What kind of power do I need to get this thing? Because I know this thing works by just dropping. You literally just drop something. Oh, let's see if the quest book works again. Nope. If you just drop something into it, it's supposed to work. It's getting power now. Wait, engine matter. You're gonna need immersive engineering, IV wire and connector. LV wire relay, LV wire connector, and LV wire coils. So this is just hardened clay with copper, and this is copper wire around a stick. Tin snips on a copper plate. Copper plate is copper with the engineer's hammer. Ah, good lord. Okay. I mean, if that's what I must do. Can I connect it to the windmill, though? Hit the green button. I hit the green button. It didn't need anything. I need 2 connectors and 1 wire, but will it work with the windmill? Like, just because I have 2 connectors and 1 wire, what do I hook it up to? Let me get some copper. Put that back then. Looks like I'm going to need a decent amount of this copper. And what do I need? I need to flatten this thing out and then use tin snips on it. Oh, I need to get the snips. So let's go this, which is an iron, and was that? Don't tell me I needed treated sticks. Oh no, I think I could use either. Okay. Yes, they do connect. Okay. As long as they connect, and I can use the windmill as power. That's I already don't remember what this recipe called for. Just 1. I don't have the stupid sticks. God damn it. You get back in there and give me 2 sticks. Okay. Okay, boom. And then you only make 1. Are you serious? That's going to take so many. Actually, I need only 3 of these now. So, pound them out. And then snip them out. And then stick them out. Stick. Sticks. Oh, it makes 4 of them, so that's good. So I need the LV wire connectors, which are, I need hardened clay, so I need to get some clay. That's annoying. Oops. Stop. There. We'll make this into hardened clay for now. Let me actually get the my little snips. Learned. And I can't learn anything else. I can't do anything with these extra steel casings I have. Coal generator has been learned. I'm going to get rid of the coal generator now. And I shouldn't need to wait for all these, but I will. But in the meantime, I will just learn it. Learned. Come give me my last one. And then Bingo, boom. Oh, I do need 4. Damn it. Clay. There we go. 4 of these. Boom, boom. Got 4 of those. And then let's go over here. Put that back. We will learn this. And so from if what you're saying is correct, I would connect this thing here up to, is it this one? The LB should be an anabus. He does not make it enough power to make a difference yet. You need to connect this one wire. It was in the port closest to the windmill, so, or this one. Nope, definitely not that one. So the port on the front, I'm assuming you're talking about. So then I think the way that these things work is you then just like single connect and then connect or something. There we go. Got an achievement. So is this thing actually getting... No. So is it not sending water through the line? Or the VL should be fine for now. Does not make enough power. Definitely the tutorial I watched on this at one point used low voltage. It is the other port. What other port? Is it all the way back here to the control panel? The red port there is for a lever. Okay. So that's not it then. So which other port are we talking about then? Okay, that looks like it could be right. Can this go? Can this actually link? Yes, of course it's obstructed because it's turned the other direction. Hold on, I might be able to link this through to something else. Oh my god. Can I put a port here and then link it? Let's go. Okay, that worked. Ooh, even though it went through there. Why? Why you know attach that wire there? Okay, you know what, Rebecca? Rebecca, this is just going to be for you. Because what we're going to do is we're going to say, screw all this. If I can ever get up here again. Screw all this. We're going to make this windmill the front and centerpiece of this beautiful, beautiful place. And we're going to put the windmill just up here on that pillar. And it's going to connect. Oh, I need a relay for that. So we're just going to do this instead. And go, windmill. Windmill. Be happy. Live free. Die hard. Boom. And then relay. You. And then you. To you. And that looks beautiful. Beautiful. And it's like right here in the front and center. Yeah. Look at that thing. And now we can see if this thing is on. If not, I'm going to be really mad. Really confused. Wrong button. What the hell is going on? Maybe they don't connect. It looks like it connects. Trying to turn it on with this lever that you spoke of earlier. You can use the wire you originally tried. You just have to have the cable touching the top part of the back. Your engineering wire is losing power over distance. Well, that's not going to explain why this one's losing power anymore. This is the redstone signal it talked about. What would, like, cut off the machine. Actually, this thing, these blocks are disappearing down there. This is going to do the greatest thing in the world. That's what it's supposed to do. I think this is the output of it, isn't it? I thought it made a bunch of noise. There ain't nothing happening there. I think this thing hurts you if you get inside. Nothing's happening here. What am I doing wrong? Okay. So making some more enriched alloys. Gonna try to make this mechanism energy cube to see if I can get some energy converted or something like that. I probably can't eat these potatoes anymore, huh? Okay. This should finally be it. Steel casing? What do you mean I don't have a steel casing? Oh, I forgot it's not one of those tables that I can stay there. Okay, basic energy cube. Okay. So I should be able to take the basic energy cube. Well, let's just see. Nope. Okay. I was just going to see if it was because the server was crashing out. Maybe that's why I had a problem. So let's just take the basic energy cube. Put it just to see if this works. It is filling up. So now we will take this thing off of there. Okay. No. Well, I can get crushed. Oh my god. Is it because I just threw crap in it that I couldn't crush? I could have sworn it crushed stone. Hold on a second. If all of this, if it would work with that still connected like that, and I can throw in... Nope, it won't. So, good, good, good. It wasn't just me. It wasn't just me. But it works. It works now. And now you guys get to finally see the joy. Oh, I need to go. Oh, this is mechanism, though. It probably won't work. Yeah, it won't work. Okay, so yeah, it is like an RF conversion that it's having a problem with. Still would have thought that would have worked. It ended up converting that out. So, okay, either way. Now, Jeff, why the hell did you do this? Well, because I can go with a blaze rod, which is worth 1,536 EMC. I can take a blaze rod. I can throw said blaze rod into here. I broke it again. I don't understand. What just happened? There it is. I don't know. There's no more animation. I don't quite know what's happening with the animation. But look at that. It turned it into 4 blaze powders, which are 3,072 EMC. So one blaze rod, it like triples my capacity. And I believe I can just dump this now. I'm going to take this guy over here. He's got my diamonds in it. I'm going to take these diamonds. I'm going to probably lose all this extra stuff. I'm going to take this guy, though. I am going to... Well, I won't disconnect it like that yet. I'm going to put this just next to there. No, I don't want it next to there. Actually, I want it... I will move it a couple away. We'll move it like over here, just because. If I get a transfer node, I'm going to get a blaze rod. Get a transfer node. Transfer node items and transfer pipes. Granted, I know there's better ways to do transferring, but this is all I need to do for now. Put this here. We're going to go like that. So essentially what's going to happen, I'm going to make this thing start making me blaze rods by putting in blaze powder. Notice I have one blaze rod into the machine, now just converted itself back into 2 blaze rods. So if you don't believe me, let's see how this is empty. We're going to take out the blaze rods. So I have 3 of them in my inventory. That's all I have, 3 of them. There's nothing else around. And we are going to put in 1, 2. I'm going to put all 3 of them in there. And I'm going to walk away. And we're going to come back in a second. I should be able to watch this actually drop, shouldn't I? Just kind of slowly going up. And look at that. We have 6 blaze rods sitting in this chest all of a sudden. So if can I pull from this thing? Let me get a transfer node. I really wish I had a quest book that worked appropriately. So I'm going to take a transfer node. I hope it lets me pull stuff out. Can I do it from the top? Still open it. Okay, you can. You can pull stuff right out of here. That is weird. There is no wire connection. Why is there no wire connection? Wait, how did it still work? That was really weird. It still worked. Either way, I don't know if you can do a hopper or if you have to like physically drop the item into like a dropper and make it like constantly just output the item into here. I'm not 100% certain. Let's see. Well, I guess we can. Before I do anything crazy, I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna put one in here. Oh wow! It just goes straight in. Okay, this is like the the cheatiest thing in the world. I love it. So in theory, this thing is just going to like constantly cycle? Or did I break it? Ah, stop. Oh, they're all in my inventory. So if I just put one in here, I, in theory, should see this thing kind of popping back through. Or not. Did it get stuck somewhere? Wait, where did it go? If I put one in here, it works. I turn into 4 blaze powders. The blaze powders, however, are not getting sucked into this thing anymore. Oh, is this? Oh, because it can't take. Oh, it can't take a blaze rod. Okay, so now the blaze powders should start running through this thing. They will start building this thing up to blaze rods, which blaze rods will come up here. Start turning into more blaze powders. This is just going to end up being a ridiculously endless supply. I'm going to put these ones in there as well. Of EMC. Basically, it's a perpetual motion machine with extra energy. That was the whole point of this exercise, was to pull this off, which I have done. I'm not the first. I've seen this before. That's how I kind of knew it existed. So, but I didn't know how it was done exactly. I just knew that it could be done, and I knew it had to do with the blaze in this particular process. I did this in a completely different way than I've seen anybody else do it, as in like different types of power sources, the way I set it up. Like, I just saw that it was possible. So I basically never have to worry about EMC ever again, because this thing's going to constantly run. Now, it's unfortunate because I don't have the quest book anymore. For whatever reason, my quest book is not functioning. And I don't know why that is. I don't know if I can fix that. I don't know if there's just a file for the quest book somewhere. The problem is I'll probably be behind in a few areas, because I've already done a lot of the quests, and if I have to like reload a quest book somehow, it'll be a little bit broken. I'm curious to see if this thing is. Look at I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This thing is just constantly turning these blaze rods or blaze powders into more, and it's just blaze powder all the way, all the way. Basically, I should be able to take this thing. I wonder if I can do it like when it's full, if it can go somewhere else. And how much is this actually using? It's like not even touching the basic energy cube over here. Got my pretty windmills working. We got this thing going. This thing's basically never going to stop churning because it's just constantly dropping items into it. So hit the tilde key to open the better questing mod GUI. No, I can open it, but my quest is blank. Something is wrong with the quests. This just happened today. I've never experienced this problem before. So I don't know what to do. Like, everything else seems to work in the book. It's the party part seems to work. The theme part seems to work. But something is wrong with my quests. So, I mean, it might have started happening last time when we all saw the quests weren't updating. It wasn't accepting the certain quests that I was doing. So whoa! Wow, Tenebrow is now hosting my stream with 1 viewer! Woohoo! Look at this. Just blaze. Blaze, blaze, blaze. Crazy blaze. Look at this. I've got a backlog of blaze rods now in this machine. I'm going to eventually have this long backlog of blaze rods. And what I can do is I can take them and I can go dump them over in my transmutation table. Because let's look at how big one of these stacks is. I mean, this stack right here is worth 75,000. That quickly, I earned that. That quickly, it all came. And yeah. So this machine over here, the Energy Collector Mark 1, who knows, a Mark 2 or a Mark 3 could have worked very well. But this thing was doing very well for me because I really do think I started this with like a piece of coal or something like that. And it just over time constantly converts them to something else that's worth more. But it takes a long time for it to happen. But granted, in here right now, I've got, you know, hundreds of thousands of EMC. So that's cool.